friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the town of Wardner, British Columbia, a hidden gem located in the southeastern part of the province. Nestled along the banks of the mighty Kootenay River, Wardner is surrounded by the stunning natural beauty of the Canadian Rockies and the lush forests of the Kootenay region. Wardner was established in the late 19th century, primarily as a mining town during the silver boom that swept through the area. The town's name is believed to have been inspired by John Wardner, a prominent figure in the mining industry who played a significant role in the development of the region. As the mining industry grew, so did Wardner, becoming an important hub for workers and their families. The town's mining heritage is still evident today, with several historic buildings and sites that offer a glimpse into its past. One of the most notable landmarks is the Wardner Bridge, a historic structure that spans the Kootenay River and has been a vital link for the community for many years. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, enjoying the local culture, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Wardner offers a memorable experience that captures the essence of rural British Columbia. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Wardner, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.